operators as plus or minus are binary operators, and they have two operands, for example 2 plus 3. Here is left-hand operand and here is right-hand operand. But there is also ternary operator in JavaScript that has 3 different operands. And now let's talk about it. And here let's define new variable and let's call it res, that stands for result. And let's assign to it result of the expression where we will use ternary operator. Ternary operator consists of condition. Let's type condition like that, 5 greater than 2. Next comes question mark, it is part of ternary operator syntax. Next, let's type, for example, string greater, like that. Next, after the string, let's add colon. And after space, let's add less, like that. And let's add semicolon, because here we have statement where we assign result of this expression to specific variable. So here you see ternary operator. And it consists of condition, then expression that will be returned back as a result of the ternary operator in case this condition is truthy, and other expression which result will be returned by ternary operator in case this condition is falsy. In this example, we expect that res variable will be assigned value greater. And let's verify that. Let's underneath print to the console res. Let's save changes and I see here greater. If I change this greater than sign to less than sign like that and save changes, I'll see less, because now this condition is falsy. And that's why result of this expression is less. And also it's very important to mention that ternary operator is actually expression, and it evaluates to particular value. That's why we are able to use a ternary operator as a right-hand operand in assignment operator. That's why res was assigned specific value, either greater or less. Also, if you want, you could, let's say, call other functions here. For example, log to the console something. But it's not a common practice to perform some operations using ternary operator. Usually it is used in order to assign some value depending on specific condition, like we see here. Of course, in this condition you could use any other operators, like strict equality operator, AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator, and so on. And certainly you could use here different variables. Main idea is that such condition should be evaluated to true or false, or to truthy or falsy value. Also, if you want, you could split ternary operator to multiple lines like that. Question mark is in this line and colon is in this line. If I save changes, I'll get same result. That's ternary operator.